Okay, I know y'all probably like, what's going on, girl? What's going on? I'm going to record me trying to dye my hair or whatever on camera today. Hey, hey, cannot focus on me. But yeah. So today I'm gonna be dyeing my hair. A little nervous. I blow dried it last night. I am trying to basically get my hair back to how light it was, and then I'm gonna put like probably have like this
What did he say?
Or so, like blonde. So, but I have to get it lightened in order to get the hair. I just mixed the cream of nature stuff up in the bottle. I have the honey blonde one. And just emptying it out. It's a lot up in here. I can't believe I'm doing this. I should have went to the freaking hair salon I went to before. I should have probably just got ginger, but we're gonna see what the honey blonde can do. But it was easier when my hair is one color, but now it's like, oh, now I have to be like careful and stuff. Oh wait, gloves. It's just gonna be hard not to touch my old hair. Okay, so this is why they have it come. Yeah, I'm glad I got this. Okay, so I'm gonna come down and wipe up. This is a mess. It's okay. I'm not even supposed to be wearing this shirt. Okay, I'm back. I had to take that shirt off because I like that shirt. And why am I sitting here? I probably don't even need to be adding no more. Ow. Maybe I'm asking it to do too much. Not the gloves. Yeah, as it gets to the bottom, I said I was going to just wet it so that it wouldn't continue the lifting process. The fact that I blow dried my hair to do this is kind of sickening. After I get it on there, and running water on the ends so I want to get on it. Basically. Wish me luck. I'll come back when I'm almost done. Okay, so I'm back, and this is my hair color. But look at your average honey brown, but I'm really just trying to get the roots to match the ends, but I think I did a good job. It looks ginger. But yeah, about to hop in the shower, rinse and condition, and probably, just show y'all what it looks like and just show y'all how I'm gonna just, have my hair be for the night, because I think I'm going out. I don't know. I'm just gonna put it in a bun, just, keep my hair moisturized, because it is going through a lot. When I colored my hair the first time, it was several shades, and that's what I wanted. But it's like now it's like my hair looks so synonymous that now I'm like, oh yeah, gotta get it back one shade, but it really don't matter, because shoot, this looks light enough for me. Okay, so I'm about to show y'all how I get my hair into a ponytail. Okay, we're using the Coconut Curls Raw Leave-In, and we just adding it up in there, adding moisture to our hair. No need for no intro. Elevator music, we got this. We're doing it voiceover style. But yeah, I'm just adding in water to my hair to help disperse the product. Now we got the Shea Moisture Coconut Curls Enhancing Smoothie. Getting into it, adding it in. You could say I'm doing the LOC method or LCO. Yeah, let's go with LCO because it's liquid cream oil. So we had the water, then we add the creams. And y'all don't really show it, but I put some oil in there. I always put oil in my hair, but really just using moisturizers, water, a little bit of gel, however much gel you want, and some oil. And we're just gonna seal all that back. And this is pretty much how I get my hair as slick as it can be. But y'all is gonna see that in the next few clips. But still, I'm just sectioning it off one by one, board bristling it, getting into it piece by piece, because if not, it's not coming out flat. Do your hair piece by piece or it's not coming out flat, depending on your texture. But I have type 4 hair, so we're gonna have to get up in there to lay it down. But overall, that is it. That is how I smooth my hair out. Okay, y'all, so I'm back. This is my hair color. Bear with me, cause just do, I don't know. Y'all just gonna have to see. Okay, in this video, like, this was like one process of me dyeing my hair, and I don't think I ever recorded the other processes. So when you do see my hair in other videos, it's gonna look different. But just know I did not record that. This is the progress for now. We did pretty alright. We're gonna add some highlights in a few weeks. And then say something to me. Oh, you can't. Okay. Somebody wanna be seen in the camera.
Bro, I'm over here. Hey y'all, I'm halfway done. Ready?
Yes, we're going out. And we're committing crimes tonight, so stay tuned.
Okay.
Hey, thanks for watching my video. Know you watching the Cobby Show. Come back and get some more. Hey, you already know what it is, what it ain't. Don't be mad, cause you can't. Oh my gosh, you guys come back and watch another one of my videos. I love you. See you later. Bye.